this is David Ienna from Fairmax Law. One of the biggest barriers, impediments to people actually following through and filing bankruptcy when they need to is they find the process daunting of actually producing the information that their attorney needs to prepare and file their case. If you're working with a good attorney, they should be able to help you make this process as easy as possible. Here at Fairmax Law, we assign you a dedicated case manager. They're going to work with you to help pull documents, things like bank statements, pay stubs with you, organize your file. We help people pull tax transcripts directly from the IRS if you don't have records of your tax returns. In some cases, we can pull deeds, mortgages, and titles. But really, the documents that you absolutely need to file are the following. You need to have tax returns, at least your last 2 years of tax returns in most districts. Okay, you have to have those filed. That's required by the bankruptcy code, unless you weren't required to file them. If you didn't make enough income and that did not require you to file them, then you can provide what's called an affidavit that your attorney will prepare for you that will be filed with the court or provided to the court or bankruptcy trustee, showing, hey, I did not need to file, not required to file tax returns according to IRS standards. Okay, but those are things you definitely need to file. Obviously, if you have emergency circumstances, an attorney may work with you on filing an emergency petition to prevent a foreclosure or thing of that nature while you're going through the process of getting those tax returns filed, but it is required that you have them immediately if you don't have them prior to filing your case. You have to take a credit counseling course. I've shot another video of that you can find, but credit counseling is very simple. It's just an online course that you would take, or you can take it over the phone. It takes about an hour. It's absolutely required that you complete that course and get a certificate that you completed in order to file the bankruptcy. You can't actually file your case without doing so. Okay, that's a very simple process for you to do and complete. You do need pay advices, so pay stubs or proof of income for the last 6 months in order to prepare your bankruptcy petition. Again, many attorneys I know our firm, we really try to help you pull those documents for you. If you have online payroll like ADP, things of that nature, we're going to help you organize and get those together so we can get your case filed. Bank statements. Again, depending on your district, you may need anywhere from 60 days to 6 months of bank statements for any account that you hold. Okay. Again, most times you can get those online. We try to help you pull those and organize those as easy as possible. Deeds and mortgages. So if you own real estate, you do need to provide recorded copies of your deeds and mortgages, proving your ownership of that property. Many times, again, we can help actually pull those for you online. You should have them in your records. If you don't, your attorney may help you pull them on online records. In this scenario, you may have to go to your county records, where they keep all the public records of this ownership information, and provide that to your attorney. Car titles. So different states, they give you official title ownership, or you have what's called a memo of title, other sort of ownerships. I know some states you may just get a registration and that's it. But again, that's information typically required in your case that you do need to provide to your attorney. Again, here at Fairmax Law, in certain districts, we can actually pull that information for you. Other things that you may need are things like retirement account statements, life insurance policies, should you have what's called a whole life insurance policy that actually has some cash value in it. Those are the general things that are required for you to actually prepare a bankruptcy case with your attorney. There may be additional things necessary depending on your district and the local requirements for your particular case, but that list is basically the basic list that you may need to file your case. In some instances, districts need less than what I just said. You may be able to file with just tax returns and pay stubs, but you definitely need that credit counseling course in order to proceed. So those are the general things. Don't let it be a barrier to get you the relief you need, particularly if your attorney is willing to work with you to help you gather this information. They don't just send you off with homework. Work with them. Get this information done. Don't bury your head in the sand. You need the relief. You just got to put a little bit of work into getting this information together. Your attorney will take it from there and get this debt off your back. Thank you. If you'd like more information on this video from a qualified attorney, please don't hesitate to call us, Fairmax Law, 888-FAIRMAX, or visit our website, www.fairmaxlaw.com.